Tyler.
Oh, I know. You're gonna be a child. You're 3. That's okay.
Whoa.
Okay, she's nice.
Don't you think she's worth $1,500?
She feels so smooth. Like, she feels really good. Like, her balance is a lot better than I was expecting.
She rides more mature than her age.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. Like, I was like this from a 3-year-old? Jeez.
Mama, help! I'm going to blow down.
Get up, Tyler.
Help! Hey!
And she has such like, a nice, soft mouth and everything.
You gonna stop? Tyler, quit.
Ah!
I'm gonna.
Sit down.
Have you guys cantered her yet?
Yeah, she can canter. One lead is harder for her than the other, but I can't remember. I think her left lead is harder.
Yeah. Yeah, Winchester is the same way.
Mom, I saw something that you.
It's hard for me to communicate with my leg because like my leg doesn't even touch her.
Okay, I'm going to catch our monster. Mom.
She's so soft in the mouth. Oh my gosh. She's so nice.
She's really not bad. For a 3-year-old, I really think that.
How long have you guys been looking for her?
Well, she bought her from me about a year ago.
Yeah.
And she's been riding her inconsistently for 11 months, I think.
She's doing really good for something. Like, you know, if you're not like intense training or whatever. She's doing awesome.
But yeah, we're asking $1,500 for her, and these people are like, no. And I'm like, wow. I feel like she's worth that.